So I bought this at a garage sale for $3. I found this in the trash along with the rest of my reverse osmosis system, then various hose clamps and some pipe fittings. Let's see what we can do. Pipe wrench, where is it? Oh, they casted little flats in it, so I don't need a pipe wrench. Important to note, I filled this with just tap water because I heard if you put reverse osmosis water through a metal pipe, it'll corrode it because it's slightly acidic. Now for those unfamiliar with these, it's basically a metal tank with a plastic bag inside of it that's pressurized through a Schrader valve on the front. And the tank stays pressurized, it just gets refilled with water from the line pressure from your faucet. I'm only using this because I happen to have it and it works pretty good. Other ideas for this setup would be one of those garden sprayer tanks or a keg. I'm gonna need one of these. There it is. Then push connect hose number 1, number 2. Make sure it doesn't leak. That's a good sign. Anyways, I tried it out with my local bike group and it was a huge hit. Watch out.
Oh, whoa. Yeah, sick.
The dude's got a whole water container.
It's not cold by any stretch of the imagination.
Get closer to this way so you don't.
Drive-by refuel. I need more water.
No, but when they're not on and they come in with like an e-bike with like a QR, they're just like.
That should be good. Alright, cool, thank you.
I still need more water.
Oh yeah.